No luck. Welcome back. It's Friday. It's another video. Today we're gonna be busting out some Pink Whitney. This has been sitting in my freezer for months and months, taking up valuable freezer space. Anybody who said a hockey player couldn't come up with a great liquor was 100% correct, because this is awful. Unless of course you love heartburn, in which case you're gonna love this. So to make this somewhat palatable, we're going to turn this into a Bramble, which is a classic cocktail done with berries, in which case we're gonna be using some fantastic blackberries. I'm gonna grab my cocktail shaker and maybe about five blackberries, something like that. This seems excessive, Sam. I don't know why you put so many out, but whatever. Maybe for snacking. Yeah. Just gonna give that a quick muddle. We're gonna throw in an ounce of gin. For all those people that are like, oh, can we use vodka? I hate gin. You honestly don't realize it's in there. And it actually just adds a little something you wouldn't even realize. Typically you'd have like blackberry mûr or maybe even chambord or a berry liqueur of some kind. I'm gonna use cassis today because that's all I have. And we're gonna do 3/4 ounce. And this absolute beauty of a product. Thank you so much, Ryan, for this creation. I'm gonna throw in a little lemon juice, 1/2 ounce. There's gonna be some acidity with that as well. And I'm just gonna throw in 1/4 ounce of simple syrup. This is a honey simple syrup. You could just do a regular simple if you'd like, or even spruce it up with something else, whatever you're into. You don't have to follow these recipes to the T. That's the nice thing about cooking and craft cocktails and stuff like that. You know, you kind of make it your own. Let's throw some ice in here. We're gonna give it a real solid shake. I'm gonna grab myself a rocks glass. I've just got some hand crushed ice, because that's typically what a Bramble is served over. It's kind of nice and adds to the refreshing nature of the cocktail. I mean, it'd be great if I got at least 50% of this into the glass. I'd be pretty happy with that. We're just gonna go like so. I'm just gonna line straight over. Look at that beautiful color. Isn't that gorgeous? Kind of garnish it with a few blackberry halves. And there we are.
What do you think?
It's good. You know, it'd be better if there was a little bit less Pink Whitney in it. In fact, if there's no Pink Whitney, it'd probably be the best. Guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope that gives you a little inspiration as to what you could possibly do with Pink Whitney. Obviously, you're not limited to this. Just have fun with it. Ultimately, that's most important. Don't take it too seriously and just relax and enjoy yourself.